Hi inJoypreneurs! Magugulat kayo sa recipe na to, ang ham and cheese potato roll. For our dough, we use our inJoy braised rice powder and we mix it into 1.5 liters of water. In a chopping board, sprinkle some flour and then flatten the braised rice dough with a rolling pin. Ngayon, hihiwain na natin siya para maging wrapper. Next, para naman sa ating roll, let's slice our ham and cheese into strips. Now sprinkle some flour into your wrapper and add the ham and cheese. Isil lang natin with a toothpick para hindi sila maghiwa-hiwalay. After natin makagawa, it's time to deep fry. Using inJoy palm oil, let's deep fry the roll for 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Serve with your favorite inJoy dip. Masarap to guys, kaya try nyo na rin. Thanks for watching! Bye!